Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the farthest star in our observable universe? It's an enigma that has tickled the curiosity of mankind for centuries. The universe, in all its vastness, holds secrets that are as fascinating as they are elusive. As we stand at the brink of the 21st century, we find ourselves journeying deeper into the cosmos than ever before, propelled by a thirst for knowledge and a desire to unravel the mysteries of the universe. We gaze at the stars, planets, and galaxies and ponder the grandeur of it all. We marvel at the complexity of celestial bodies, and yet there's so much more we don't know. The universe, it seems, is a cosmic puzzle with pieces scattered across infinite light years. The intricacies of the universe are not just about understanding the stars and galaxies, it's about probing into the dark matter, the unseen force that holds the cosmos together. It's about exploring the concept of time and how it bends around massive objects. It's about investigating the possibility of life, not just as we know it, but in forms that might exist in the extreme conditions of outer space. Our quest to comprehend the universe has led us to create extraordinary tools. These instruments of exploration are not just extensions of our senses, they are our eyes and ears in the vast silent expanse of the cosmos. They allow us to peer into the depths of the universe, to listen to the cosmic symphony, and to touch the fabric of space-time itself. And now we stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, a time when our understanding of the universe might be revolutionized, a moment when we may finally begin to answer some of the most profound questions about our existence and our place in the cosmos. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's latest eye in the sky. This marvel of modern science and engineering is poised to take us further than we've ever been, to show us the universe as we've never seen it before. The journey is just beginning, and the universe awaits. The James Webb Space Telescope, a titan of technology and science, was not born overnight. The conception of this astronomical giant began in the minds of the world's most brilliant scientists and engineers. It was a dream, a vision of a tool that could peer into the furthest reaches of space, unlocking secrets of the universe that have eluded us for centuries. The genesis of this project was rooted in the late 90s, following the triumphant launch and operation of the Hubble Space Telescope. The scientific community, having tasted the sweet nectar of cosmic discovery, yearned for an even more powerful tool. A tool that could delve deeper into the cosmos, unraveling mysteries that lay beyond the capacities of their current instruments. Thus, the idea of the James Webb Space Telescope was born. The process of bringing this idea to life was a Herculean task. It required the combined effort of thousands of scientists, engineers, and technicians from around the globe. It demanded the development of new technologies, the refinement of existing ones, and the resolution of countless technical challenges. For instance, the telescope's primary mirror, a key component that would enable it to capture faint light from distant celestial bodies, had to be significantly larger than any previously built. However, the sheer size of the mirror presented a formidable challenge. It was simply too large to be launched into space in one piece. The solution? A mirror constructed of 18 individual segments, each coated with an ultra-thin layer of gold to enhance their reflectivity, designed to unfold like a blooming flower once in space. Similarly, the sun shield, another critical component, had to be large enough to protect the telescope's sensitive instruments from the sun's heat. Yet it also had to be lightweight and compact enough for launch. The answer was a sun shield comprised of 5 layers of specially designed material, each no thicker than a human hair. This process of planning, designing, building, and testing was repeated for each component of the telescope. It was a journey that spanned over 2 decades, a journey of innovation, collaboration, and sheer determination. After years of meticulous work and planning, the James Webb Space Telescope was ready to take its place among the stars. The James Webb Space Telescope is no ordinary telescope. It's a giant leap forward in our quest to understand the universe. It's a marvel of modern technology, equipped with some of the most advanced instruments ever developed for space exploration. At the heart of its capabilities is an enormous gold-coated primary mirror spanning over 21 feet in diameter. This mirror, larger than any other ever launched into space, gives the telescope its extraordinary power to see distant galaxies and stars with unparalleled clarity. Beyond its impressive mirror, the Webb boasts a suite of state-of-the-art scientific instruments. These include the near-infrared camera, or NIRCam, and the mid-infrared instrument, or MIRI. These two instruments allow the telescope to peer into the farthest reaches of the universe, capturing images in a range of wavelengths beyond the capabilities of the human eye. The NIRCam, for instance, is designed to observe the formation of stars and galaxies in the early universe. It will help scientists to understand how galaxies evolve and form. On the other hand, the MIRI is designed to study the formation of stars and planetary systems, providing crucial information about the birth and evolution of celestial bodies. The telescope's position, far from Earth's light and heat interference, also gives it a unique advantage. Located at what's known as the second Lagrange point, or L2, the Webb can maintain a stable view of the cosmos, unimpeded by the earthly distractions that can limit ground-based telescopes. But perhaps the most exciting feature of the Webb is its ability to detect and analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets. By observing these distant planets as they transit their stars, the Webb can identify key gases in their atmospheres, potentially providing clues about their habitability. With its extraordinary capabilities, the James Webb Space Telescope is set to rewrite our understanding of the cosmos. From peering into the birth of galaxies to probing the atmospheres of distant worlds, the Webb promises to open up new horizons in our quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe. So what can this marvel of modern science see that others can't? Let's dive into the extraordinary vision of the James Webb Space Telescope. This isn't just any ordinary telescope. No, the Webb is a time machine capable of looking back over 13 billion years to see the very first galaxies that formed in the early universe. Its powerful lens can capture light from these distant galaxies, allowing us to study their formation, structure, and evolution. This will help us unravel the history of the universe one galaxy at a time, but the Webb's reach doesn't stop at galaxies far, far away. It also has the ability to peer into the clouded nurseries where stars are born. These stellar nurseries, dense with dust and gas, are often obscured from optical telescopes. However, the Webb, with its infrared capabilities, can penetrate these clouds, giving us an unprecedented view of star formation. And then there are exoplanets, planets beyond our solar system. The Webb has the extraordinary ability to examine the atmospheres of these exoplanets. It can detect water vapor and other key molecules, potentially uncovering signs of life. Imagine that, peering into the atmospheres of planets light years away, searching for signs of life. Closer to home, the Webb will also provide a unique perspective of our own solar system. From studying the atmospheres of our neighboring planets to observing comets and asteroids, the Webb will deepen our understanding of our cosmic backyard. And let's not forget about our very own planet, Earth. The Webb will provide us with critical data about our home's atmosphere, helping us better understand and address climate change. So you see, the James Webb Space Telescope isn't just a giant mirror floating in space, it's a powerful tool, a cosmic detective, a window into the past, and a beacon for the future. From distant galaxies to nearby exoplanets, the James Webb Space Telescope is our window into the wonders of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is more than just a high-tech piece of equipment floating in space. It's a revolutionary device, a cosmic time machine, a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. It is our key to unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos, a beacon that guides us through the dark expanse of the universe. In our exploration so far, we've delved into the birth of this giant, a marvel of modern science and engineering. We've touched upon its exceptional features and capabilities, from its massive golden mirror, larger than any of its predecessors, to its pioneering infrared capabilities that allow it to peer through cosmic dust and into the heart of galaxies. We've explored the Webb's eye view, the unparalleled perspective it affords us. From observing distant galaxies in their infancy to studying planets within our own solar system and even our dear Earth, Webb provides us with a vantage point like no other. But the James Webb Space Telescope is not just about observing the universe, it's about understanding it. Its potential impact on our comprehension of the cosmos is immeasurable. It promises to shed light on the darkest corners of the universe, to unveil the secrets of dark matter and dark energy, to investigate the formation of stars and galaxies, and to probe the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, hunting for signs of life. The Webb is not just a telescope, it's a symbol of our ceaseless quest for knowledge, our undying fascination with the cosmos, and our insatiable desire to answer one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? As we draw this cosmic journey to a close, let's not forget that the real adventure is just beginning. The James Webb Space Telescope is our portal to the past, our window into the future, and our guide through the present. As we continue our cosmic journey with the James Webb Space Telescope, we are not just looking into space, we are looking back in time, unraveling the mysteries of the universe, one star at a time.